Hello! I have decided to make a short video about the Drift Ghost 4K camera. So this is what I use on my bike to create the videos that you know and love. But I have one major issue with this camera. The wind noise you get from it is ridiculous. Just as an example, have a listen to this. So obviously you couldn't hear a word I was saying there. It was probably extremely smart and profound and no one got to hear it, which is a shame for the world. Also, wind noise when you're cycling along, especially on descents. Fair warning, if you're wearing headphones, you might want to turn the volume down a little bit for this one. So yeah, wind noise is definitely an issue with this camera. So, I'm going to try a little hack. I've bought this fluffy little guy from Amazon for 64p. I'm going to super glue it over the microphone on the camera and then we'll see if it makes a difference. So, you will need your camera, your fluffy boy, and super glue. Let's give it a go. So there's two microphones, one at the rear, one at the front. I've actually turned off the rear one, and I've just left the front one switched on. So let's do some gluing. So there's your glue, here's your fluff. Hold that in place for a few seconds. There we go. One Drift Ghost 4K camera with a wicked hairdo. Let's go see if it works. So, as you can hear, that works pretty well for removing wind noise, but you can't hear a word I'm saying. So, unfortunately, I have ripped the fluffiness off and it is back to normal camera with some super glue stuck to it. If you want to just eradicate wind noise, then that's great, but if you want to be able to hear conversations, then I'm afraid this attempted hack was a fail. Thank you very much for watching though, and if you found it useful, give it a like. If you have any suggestions on how I can reduce wind noise and still have voice audible when I'm cycling along, let me know in the comments. Bye!